What is up, guys? Welcome back again, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your key fob. So you need to do this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob right here. Now this key fob is actually for my 2013 Ford Focus, but this key fob also comes in like 2015 Tauruses, 14 Edges, Flexes. We also have some Escapes, Explorers from like 2011. Basically anything that's push button after like 2011. This is the kind of key fob that you have right here. So some of them might have the remote start, some of them won't, but you have your lock, unlock, your trunk, and of course your panic button. But sometimes when you get in the car, you'll hit the on and it'll tell you low battery on your key fob, or just low battery, change battery, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob. So pretty simple. This I don't know if you guys know this, but inside this key fob you still have a metal key to get into your vehicle. To get that metal key, it's actually in here. If you see that little slot right here, that little notch, it's actually inside here. So all you got to do is pull this little tab to the left right there, and then put your nail in between here and then pull it out. So I'm going to try to do this. There it goes right there, and then pull this one out. There it goes. So that is my key for my Ford Focus. Your Explorer is also going to have a key, or your Escape, whatever you're doing, as long as you have this key fob. So now, to get the battery out of here, you can use a screwdriver or anything like that, but you can actually use the same key to get it open. So if you see that little notch where the key goes into right there, I'm actually going to use that same notch right here to create pressure to open up this back part right here. So I'm going to put it in here, apply a little bit of pressure down so the thing pops up. There it goes. So there it is. That is a key. This is the key fob right there. There's really not much to do here. Just be careful with this. Don't get it wet or anything. But that is the battery right there. So let me get the battery out of here so you guys can see the battery. Once again, I'm just using the same key that comes from my vehicle. So here it is. There it is. That's the key. That's the battery right there. CR-2032 right there, 3 volts. Of course, when you put the new one, make sure it's facing down. You put it in like so, and then you're gonna grab this, make sure everything aligns. You guys see it right there, it's aligning. So then we're just gonna apply pressure down. There it goes, clicks, 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 clicks the top. There it goes, it's all completely closed. And now we just put our key back in there until it clicks. There it goes. Everything's back in, and there it is. That's how you replace the battery on your key fob on this Ford Focus or Ford vehicle with this key fob right here. Alright guys, well I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just ask down below. But if it was helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.